Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look of how to use a plane in SolidWorks. Let's begin by selecting the reference geometry and select plane. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can use the plane. The first way is to create a mid-plane between this surface and this surface here. Select this face. Select also this face here, and SolidWorks automatically choose by default this mid-plane option. Select OK. Now I can press here and draw anything I want on this plane. Another way, select reference geometry again, plane. Now I'm going to show you how to make planes with an angle. Select this edge, then select this plane. SolidWorks by default chose this relation between the edge and the face. What I have to do in order to have a plane with an angle, I have to go here, select add an angle, and type here the value that you want. You can type here using a keyboard or by clicking these arrows. You can also flip offset to change the direction. You can also create multiple planes around this edge by clicking on these arrows. Select OK. I can also create planes from this distance facing this face. Click on reference geometry, select plane, click on this surface, and you can press the value that you want. Flip offset, uncheck it, select OK. I can always go back and edit these planes. For example, go here, click on this plane, edit feature. Let's say that you want this plane from the opposite direction. Flip offset, and instead of 20, 30. OK. You can delete planes by clicking on them. Press delete, yes, or by going here, and you can see as you're taking your mouse above them, they are highlighted in this graphic area. So for example, you can select this, hold the shift key on your keyboard, select the number 3 on the plane, right click and select delete. Yes to all. Click on this plane, edit feature. You can change the angle on your preferences. Maybe 120. You can also flip offset to change the direction. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.